Food. We enjoy it so much we sometimes forget just how complicated it is to produce. Did you know it takes months of hard work and effort to grow the vegetables in your salad? Even the milk on your table comes from a cow that eats 7 tons of grains in a single year. In fact, more than 90% of our food comes from what farmers grow, feeding a growing population 365 days a year. Imagine if almost half of our food disappeared. That's exactly what would happen if farmers were not able to protect their crops from weeds, insects, and disease. Mahtashima Gan has been helping farmers do just that. It all began 6 decades ago when 3 pioneering chemists opened a small workshop in a deserted barn, developing alongside Israel's vibrant, groundbreaking agriculture. Their entrepreneurial spirit laid the foundation for Mahtashima Gan, which over the years has become the world's largest off-patent crop protection company. Joining paths with ChemChina, a leading Chinese chemical corporation, is an important step in our efforts to meet the world's future food challenges. Our global distribution system was built from scratch, with a network of subsidiaries that serves farmers in more than 120 countries with a simple, flexible approach. As a company that breathes agriculture, we offer an extensive portfolio of registered products, providing complete solutions for crops grown around the globe. To create the highest quality products, we have become experts in crop protection production, from product development and registration to basic chemistry, synthesis, and formulation. We constantly invest in research and development, daring to innovate and create new solutions to best protect the world's food. Because when you care about agriculture, when you care about the environment, when you care about people, you simply make it as it should be. Mahtashima Gan, creating simplicity in agriculture.